Is this thing on? Okay, good. Now let's get this recording started. What is up everybody? This is Max's best friend, aka Louise's little cousin Mars here, and tonight, I'm going to catch Louise snoring on video, since I got a new iPhone. Hee, just to let you know, it's kinda getting late, and it's bedtime, and Louise just drifted off to sleep, and I don't want Louise to get groggy and tired when I wake her up, but that doesn't matter, so let's go to Louise's room, shall we? But hold up, right before we go up there, I hope that my dad doesn't see me waking up Louise, but I'm lucky that he's asleep. But anyway, let's go. Welp, here we are at Louise's room, and as you can see, she's snoring, but not that much loud. That's why her snoring is pretty quiet, just like the same as Ruby's, so let's watch her. Watch this, I'm gonna do something fun with her while she sleeps. Oh, look at Louise, she's fast asleep, and I'm gonna tickle her with a feather up to her ears while she's sleeping. Tickle 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 tickle, tickle 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 tickle. Hey Louise, it's me, and I'm tickling you, ha ha ha. Well, I guess that did not work. She's still sleeping. Sorry about that. I know that Louise is still snoring in her sleep, but what if I wake her up when I turn her lamp on and set off her alarm clock? Hey, that's perfect. I'll do that. Okay Louise, it's time for you to rise and shine, since I'm gonna make you stop snoring for now.
Man, what just happened? Did I started to have crazy dream again? Or did I just thought about getting up at 12 in the morning? And never mind, it's just my alarm clock, and I'm turning it off right now.
Oh goody, Louise is already awake. I know that she'll wake up. Ha. Gotcha Louise, I woke you up because of your snoring. Hey.
Morris, that's not funny at all. And it's not fair to wake me up like that while I'm snoring. Please, just go back to bed and leave me alone, so that I can have my beauty sleep.
Oh, okay Louise, Sorry about that. Well guys, I guess that's all for now. This is Morris, signing off.